non-farm payroll, right, for today. And also, I'm going to touch about all the pairs so that you guys can have some basic information. All right, let's start. Okay. Shall we go? Hope that all the students can come. Okay. First of all, let's talk about gold. All right. Okay, gold has a very, very fast drop. No sun. Cannot be. There is sun. Definitely there is sun. You see my voice is here. There is sun, okay? Yeah. All right, good. So please check your speakers, right? So gold have a very fast drop yesterday, right? And also the day before yesterday. And last time we mentioned that gold, until the gold hit this level, right? The 1,300 level is very important, right? This level is have a kind of a pivot point, right? And let's go to the 4-hour chart. We see the gold have a very good 2618 trade here. Okay, it's actually a double top. Okay, here, just a kind of a review, right? We have a double top, and I think Jamie or Ken, I think some of the students are. How many of you trade this 2618 trade? Tell me. Anyone take this 1287 short last time? I think last week. That's very, very good entry, right? Miss it. Okay, Jamie miss it. 2 times a big profit. Yeah. Okay. Good job for the Ken. Okay, so we are not scared of this green candle. We just know that if cannot close above 0.618, this is the best time for us to take a short, right? Okay, and after the short, wow, gap down, we can take a very quick profit and pull back. Still pull back cannot close the gap. So this is a very, very nice gap, right? Which means the gold has something wrong, right? And continue to drop, pulls back again, and there is another opportunities to short gold. It's actually here, this structure, okay? Because previously this one is acting as a support, right? Support, broken up support, pulls back, retested. Okay, you can see that the gold cannot just close above that level. So 1270 to 1268. That is also a very nice, short. If you take short from here or take short from here, right? So who short from here? Shane. Okay, Shane take the short. Who else? How about Yagnesh? Did you short? Take the short and you can just put your stop loss above the pivot, above this high, right? Take short and yeah, that's a very good job. Okay, and what now? Okay, we need to check. Okay, first of all. Okay, all right, set 13. Okay, good. We see a bounce. We see a rally of the gold, right? But does this rally break the downtrend line? Did the gold break the downtrend line? Tell me. Definitely no, it didn't, right? Still in the downtrend. So we don't want to buy the gold. Okay, we don't want to buy the gold. We only want to focus on the short. But question is, do you want to short from here, from this structure? Probably I want to take that short because it's not giving me a very good risk-reward ratio. Okay, and for me, I think maybe the non-farm payroll, because the event may accelerate the gold to the further level, like 1251. That would be a very good level, okay? Another reason is, we can see here, the gold actually goes to the previous neckline, right? So this is a neckline. We have a V shape, we have a very good V shape from here, okay? Kind of going back, okay? Pulls back a little and breakout. It's a breakout and pulls back to the 1227 to 1235, this level. So this level is, right, you can see the gold actually is consolidating here, okay? So what we can do is, okay, we have two scenarios, okay, for tonight's non-farm payroll. Scenario one, what if the gold comes to here again? To test the 1224 and 1228, to test this structure. What can we do? If the gold pulls back to the structure, can we consider a buy? We don't want to buy high, we want to buy low, right? Tell me. So in the non-farm payroll, we always predict the market into several scenarios. Scenario one, gold test the 1228 support again. Okay, so perhaps we can buy the pullback. Stop loss below 1224. This is scenario one. Okay, so we are expecting the gold to pulls back to the structure and cannot break. If gold cannot break the low, it may bounce up, right? Where will probably it bounce up to? Maybe here 1240 or maybe here 1251. Okay, but pay attention to this level. This level, very important. Okay, 1247, because previously 1247 to 1248. This level is acting as support. Support is taken away. Okay, it's breaking down, so it may not go to 1251, but maybe go to 1247. Okay, so this is scenario one. Okay, about scenario two. Scenario two is gold didn't go down, but gold actually goes up, right? Goes up and test 1247. So find place to short. Right? If gold, boom, just go to 1247 to 1248. Remember, do you want to short when just hits into this level? Do you want to sell limit? No. Right? We want to watch the price action first. Right? We want to see, oh, there's a pink bar or there's some kind of consolidation. The price cannot close above 1248. We have some consolidation, right? Okay. Remember to check price action. Okay. Best will be a pin bar. Okay, a pin bar to tell you there is sellers. And what is your target? What is your target? Yeah, of course, the target is maybe the structure, or even lower, right? Even lower, maybe because we break this level, okay? So this is something that we can prepare for tonight for gold. Any questions? So this is scenario one, this is scenario two. Let me just mark this as green. Okay. Scenario one. Scenario two. Okay. Is it wise to leave gold trades overnight? No, I don't think so. No. Don't leave the gold trade over weekend because we have French elections. Jody says, what about stops? Okay, stops, if you check the price action, you'll be easily to find the pin bar and set the stop loss above the pin bar, all right? If you don't have stop loss, you should go to this pin, this pin, at least above this level. Will be 1 to 53. Okay, this pin bar needs to check out. All right. Right. For the buyers, the stop loss will be just about 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. This will be a stop loss here, and this one check the price action, but better to be put above 1 to 53. This will be stop loss. So this is a target. It's your target, right? So both scenario 1 and scenario 2 we finished. Okay, we finished. All right. Any questions? Let me just publish the. I think TradingView has just kind of you know. So preparation. Scenario 1 and scenario 2. Oh my God, why the why it go to the UK TradingView? That's quite strange. Yes, you find that it's going to the UK? Wow, this is my first time. I think I should click the United States. That's bad. Okay, never mind. Just publish again. I have we have sorry about that. I need to just publish this review to just make a report. All right. Okay. Any other pairs you need me to check? How about euro dollar? Okay, the euro has goes just to break above 1.0949, right? So yesterday we have a short setup, so I'm using the 5-minute charts to make a short yesterday. Okay, last night if you remember, I see 2 pin here. I entered the trade here, the pullback here. My stop loss is above the pin, about here, right? But it didn't really, you know, boom, hit my stop loss. So this is a very good lessons. We have to take stop loss. Right? If you never stop, if the price will just continue to go up, right? We are okay to have this kind of losers because it just protects our account. Do you remember that? Last night, I say there's an opportunity for us to short the euro, right? Looks quite good, right? Double top, pulls back, and I want to short to aim 1.0917. Okay. However, this bullish candle just take my stop away. Remember? So when the stop loss is hit, just exit the trade. Okay. Don't just leave the losers forever. Okay. Because you want to know where it will go to. You need to go to another 30 pips. Reply me if you hear me. Okay. Always have a stop loss to protect your account. Guys, you hear me? Do you hear me? All right, good. Okay. What about now? What about now? Okay, we see, okay, the euro is still above 1.0954, right? Still above that. So, which means it's still kind of a bullish bias, right? Because it breaks out a new high, and we're trying to maintain it, okay, trying to maintain above this 1.0954, right? However, let's check the daily chart. The daily chart, okay. What I'm thinking is there may be a ABCD pattern, right? Let's just check whether there's ABCD pattern. We're starting from this swing, go back here, right? This beautiful ABCD pattern 1.0982. It just hit, okay? Right. So this ABCD pattern may be a very good indication was, oh, okay, the euro has hit the ABCD. So what happened for the ABCD? Once it reversed, what it made comes down to 0.32 and 0.618, right? Check the RSI, right? The RSI is kind of, you know, it's like divergence, right? The RSI is divergence. So we can expect the euro may have some kind of pressure at 1.0982, this level, all right? Okay, and we see some RSI bearish divergence. So it tells you that, okay, the euro may turn down, right? So let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart, what do you see, guys? We see the euro cannot break 1.0982, right? 82 is here, right? First time fail, second time fail, and retest also fail, and now it has a red candle comes down, right? Right now it's pulling back. So potentially, what kind of setups we can make? What's your first idea if you see this kind of thing? Right, it's not so perfect a double top, but still break the neckline, right? The neckline is here. It did really break the neckline. Yeah, you can short the neckline, but you can always use the 618 level to help you to have a better entry, right? Okay, so let's go to for 30 minutes to see clear. All right, so you can see from this swing high to swing low, the euro is breaking down the neckline of 1.097 or 1.0972. Okay, this is a neckline. Okay, so can we wait for the price to go back to 1.0972 and short? Can we do that? Is that a good opportunity? Right? The double top pulls back and then short, right? So in this case, our stop loss should be above 1.0990, right? Maybe we'll just put another 10 pips. So we just go to, okay, set your stop loss about 1.1, right? And you're aiming for the first drop, second drop, and even lower. The euro may just complete the daily ABCD, right? So daily, what is level? For the daily, it may goes all the way to where? Oh my God, that's a lot, right? Yes, the gap. That is the gap, right? Do you see that? Yes. Okay. So this is euro's first target, 1.0740. Right, we can short from 1.0962. I mean 0.9672, and aim to 1.0740. That is the ABCD target. All right, so just remember, find some pullback to the 618 and the short. All right. Can you see that? You can keep your sum. You can enter the trades in 3 portions. Okay, first target, second target, and the last portion is about 1.07. Understand? This is how you catch a very super good risk reward ratio, because you enter in the lower time frame, but you TP in a bigger time frame. You get it? Okay, reply me if you understand the logic. Right, this is ABCD, daily ABCD pattern, and we know that potentially the euro can fall to 1.0740, but we don't want to short right now and just put stop loss about 1.10. We want to find a better entry, something like 1.0977, so that we can reduce our stop loss from almost 40 pips to 30 pips, right? And we are not chasing the price, okay? So euro dollar focus on the 2618 trade, okay? 1.09772. Okay, good. Let's go for sterling. Okay, sterling dollar. I think last Friday, I short from here, 1.2940 or 50, something like that. And we see a gap, and I close some of my shorts, and I re-enter my short here for the gap closing. Okay, I enter for the gap closing. Okay, I remember Jamie asked me why I short there, right? Jamie, remember? I think last Friday you asked me the question why you want to share here, right? Yeah, because I'm using this gap. I'm using this gap, right? This gap is very, very important because it actually gaps down and never goes back again. So there will be some sellers here or some buyers who are trapped, want to, to exit their trade without, you know. So it's actually into this level, okay? And it just touched, right? So short here, so this level 1.2953 to 1.2983, this level is very, very big resistance for the sterling, right? And right now it's kind of something like there's a 261 already complete. The price is still quite strong, right? Okay, no worries. Let's just look inside. Okay, look inside. Let's go to 30-minute charts. What do you see? 30-minute charts. Okay, what I see is price goes back to 618, comes back a little, and now another wave comes up. Right. However, if you go to this structure, can you see that there's a structure here? Why there's structure? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 candles, all above 1.2941. However, it breaks down nicely, and now is a pullback comes, right? Okay, I'm going to do something right now, okay, because I see the price action here, and I know that it's not easy for the sterling to go above 1.2950. With 20 pips a loss, how many loss can I enter if I do not want to risk for $200? Guys, answer me. For 20 pips loss, I don't want to lose more than 200. How many loss should I go? One lot, correct. Very good. Let's just short one lot, right? I just pull my stop loss above here, okay? All right. Let me just check. Okay, so I know that it won't really go up. Okay, so this here, 1 hour chart. Okay, so let me just check. Yeah, 186, right? Okay, maybe you can just move to slightly higher to about 200. Okay, 200 here. Okay, 200, exact 200, right? And what will be my target? Guys, what will be my target? Answer me. Yeah. 40 pips, right? 30 pips first, right? Yeah, okay, very good. So actually another way for you to quickly to set your target is just drag your position here, okay, just drag. Until I see, yeah, I can win $400, right? Here, see, move your circle here, okay? If the price go to 1.2890, I will win $405. So that is my first target, right? And 4-hour chart, what can we see? Can I move to my stop target here, the previous P? Do you think it's possible? Can I have my target here at the pin? The low, the previous low, right? Or this candle? Yeah, probably, maybe, right? but I mean it's always good to monitor your trade. Okay, so I'm going to take some profit here, okay, about 1 to 2, like here, right? I have 1, 2, okay, here 1.2880. Then I will have my, I will just close close 0.5 lot, another 0.5 lot. I will just hold on. Understand? So total loss for me is 200, right? Right. If the first target is hit, I will move stop loss to break even and just hold my second target or even lower. Understand? Okay. So right now I'm already in the trade. I lose about $23, but I'm not worried because my maximum loss will be 200. Okay. I hope you understand the logic. Okay, because we check in the trading view, we already see that. Right. This is a gap. Right. Good gap. Another lower highs, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles cannot close above. So my stop loss is here, right? My target is here, right? And 1 to 2. All right, done. So we have a short for the sterling trade right now. Okay, how many of you entered? How many of you entered already? You're an administrator. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, Jason. Okay, very good. Yeah, see the price is coming down, right? Just check. Do we have? Okay, yeah, sort of almost going to break even in the 5-minute charts. In the 5-minute charts, we can see another potential double top, right? First top here. This is the first top. This is the second top, but cannot close above higher, so the price just comes down, right? Once the sterling breaks down this level, it will be just drop very, very fast. Okay, so let's have some expectation for our sterling short trade. Okay, good. So move on. Another pair I want you guys to check is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. How many of you have a very, very decent profit in the last couple of weeks? Did you take profit from here? We buy from 1.108.850, right? Remember? We buy from here. Here we go. We buy from this structure. Okay. All right. Break out the structure, pulls back, and we buy from here, and we just hold. Now it's 112, right? 400 pips. Raise your hand. Who took the dollar yen buy trade? And you can see the trend just goes very, very good, right? Always continue to go up. Higher, higher, higher lows, right? And it hit this level and also the 618. So yesterday we should close some position. Right? It hits the 112.687. This is level for the resistance. So you can take some profit. Okay. So for tonight, in the 1-hour chart, let's see. Okay, dollar yen, something not very good for dollar yen because it looks like has break the trend line, right? Like the previous uptrend is over, right? It's over. Breaks down the channel. So we may find a place to short dollar yen, okay, if it pulls back. Maybe from here or maybe from here. However, can you use your 618 trend to the 618 and 112.68? So maybe the dollar yen will pull back to here and then goes down again, right? That's probably another scenario, right? So dollar yen, if you want to trade, I will recommend you guys to find a pullback to short because here is a neckline. Here is a neckline, right? Do you see a neckline? Reply me by one. If you see the neckline, we have a support, boom, the head is being made, right? Okay, almost pulled back to neckline, but didn't really get that. And now the neckline and 618 merged into together. Okay, so 112.68 will be a good time to short, right? Okay, Jody says 2618 for the sterling yen. Yeah, potentially. Yes, there is a 2618 trade for the sterling yen. Okay, 145.37. So watch out. But I won't recommend you guys to trade both sterling and dollar yen. Okay, try to trade only the direct pairs first. Okay, because direct pairs will be very moves in not in a very awkward movement. Okay. All right. Let's move on. Aussie. You can raise your hand. How many of you short Aussie? Right. If you remember from 0.77, I just telling you guys I'm shorting Aussie all times. I short so many times for the Aussie. I short here. I short here. I short a lot of times of Aussie. If you remember, right? I'm always shorting Aussie at a high, at a structure pullback, right? The last time I short is at a 0.7550 here. If you remember, we short, I think I mentioned the trade 0.557550 here. The last time I short is here, right? That is place I say in the group. Wow, that's wonderful, right? Yeah, Jamie, I think I will give you a recommendation. Don't close all of your position, right? Leave some 0.1 loss for yourself to follow the trend, right? Yeah, Ganesh, how much money you made for the Aussie short? I think you are crazy. You are doing a very good job, right? You don't? Oh, I don't believe that. I saw your trading shorting gold and shorting euro. You didn't enter Aussie trade? Wow. You didn't short, okay. I think James short, Ken short, right? Ken have a nice very short in Aussie, okay? So right now Aussie dollar, okay? Yeah, I know. It definitely breaks down the neckline here. It breaks down the neckline. So then immediately if the Aussie pulls back to 0.7453, you can short it again and short again all the way to 0.7230. That's the next level. Okay. So short the pullback of Aussie. Okay, done. Lastly, oil. How many of you short the oil? Last time we see 53.40, right? This level is perfect, right? Wow, perfect. Go to 43. From 53 to 43, that is 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips, right? Okay, so it's very, very good trade for the oil short. All right. All right, see here on the short, you see here, my second target is hit, right? Anyone who taking this oil short is rich now, don't you? How many of you hold the shorts? How many of you hold the shorts? Raise your hand. But you still have some you see both target hit. Very nice. Okay, Ken, very good. You shot at one time at the top, right? Where do you close it? Did you use multiple targets? You close half, close another half, close another half, right? Close 0.1, 0.2, close another 0.2, something like that. Okay, in order for you to trace the trend, you must, make some multiple targets. Right? Make some multiple targets. That will be the best situation because once you reduce your positions, once you take profit, okay, you won't be scared of the pullback. All right, because a lot of times your enemy to ask you to take all your positions is the scary, is a worry about the pullback, right? Jamie, do you agree? A lot of times you close all because you're just scared, so scared that the money will be, all the floating profit will gone if the pullback comes. Do you agree? So if you want to hold your positions long enough, okay, remember to take partial profit and move stop loss to break even. That's the best strategy to follow the trend. Okay. All right. Okay, so I think just now there's some people ask me about the sterling Aussie, right? Sterling Aussie, okay, don't trade right now because I think it has already hit almost going to the previous structure here, but we have a very decent buy from 1.59, okay, to 1.75. That is 1,600 pips. Okay, and I say sterling Aussie will goes up and up and up, right? So it really did, okay. And right now it's goes into the structure. So we don't want to buy anymore. We don't also want to short. Short only with double top 618 at a higher location. Okay, don't short, don't take any trade from sterling Aussie. Don't buy, don't short, just watch it. If you have buy, if you have long position, just keep it. And TP at 1.7570, that's good enough. All right? You hear me? Because there's a potential guardian, right? Where's a guardian? I think a butterfly maybe. Here is a butterfly pattern, right? Yeah, 7550, right? Almost hit. So there may be a guardian pattern, butterfly pattern. Right? It tells you, yeah, it still goes up to 1.7550, but don't take this short. Don't take this short at a higher time frame. Okay, at a higher time frame, you need to find the price action first. Okay, find the price action at this structure here. See, from 1.272 to 1.414, you need to check the price action into the yellow zone, right? Back from now, oil, okay? But do you want to buy, Judy? Do you want to buy the bad pattern? I know some of you guys may take this pattern, right? Some of you may take this pattern, but what if there's another pattern here? Oh my God. Oh my God, right? So don't find bullish patterns when the price is at a high location. Your exit point, don't choose this kind of, somewhere in the middle, right? Exit point should always be best to be at a very, very low, okay? And right now, for the oil, I only have one strategy, is short the pullback. Short the pullback to 47 and another way down. So it may go to 44, go to 42, go to 40, go to 38, and use the Fibonacci level to help you guys to understand how much further the oil can go. It may go all the way down to 37.21. See the 618 level. So find the pullback to short. Find another time to join the next downtrend. All right. All right. So oil keeps shorting the pullback. SPX. Okay, SPX is right now consolidating in there here, right? Okay, didn't really touch my our last time. I think last week I mentioned I want to short from this structure, right? And it did comes down a little bit. Right now it's just the bulls, the buyers trying to to break this level. However, it's being tested many times, reject many times. Tells you that there are a lot of sellers here. So I don't think the S&P is going up, right? Because it's making a higher lows. Okay, right now it's kind of test once, test other times. You need to answer this question: why the high is getting lower and lower? Of course, it's kind of a consolidation here. We have pressure and we have support, right? But we don't know the direction. So as long as the 2,400 is not broken, I'm still thinking to short S&P. Okay, because it's really too high. It's really too high, and there is a reversal pattern, right? There is a reversal pattern. So yeah, kind of I'm going to short S&P. Silver will be very much look at the gold. Silver just breaks down a very important structure here. You can see here, right? So once the silver pulls back to this level, 16.80, something like that, okay? If cannot close above, what you can do, you can short. You can short silver all the way. For the silver, I think it will go all the way to 14.50, this level, okay? So silver is downtrend, right? Downtrend breaks down the structure. Find the pullback to short. Okay, this level is not going to be hold because this is potential another neckline to be broken, right? However, I do expect there's a bounce, but bounce a little bit and then just another drop. Okay, all right. So good luck, guys, for your trade for the non-farm payroll. Okay, so I think that's all. So I hope you can guys to trade after the data, especially for the gold. Okay, be prepared for the two scenario, right? The two scenario. Okay, if it goes down first, then what we can do? If it goes up first, what we can do? All right? Okay, that's all. Don't trade dollar cat if you trade oil. You don't need to trade dollar cat. You know Trump is doing something to the Canada, right? I don't want to touch dollar cat. You have dollar yen, you have sterling, you have euro to the trade. You don't need to trade dollar cat. The pips value is low, and the moves not very fast. All right, good. I'm going to upload the video right now. Okay, and guys, help me to take the videos, share the videos to your group, to your friends. Okay. Jamie, I'm now desperate for a smoke after watching the dude on webcam smoking away. What's that? Okay. Who is smoking? Isaac. All right. Never mind. All right. Okay. So see you guys next time. All right. Let's just chat in the students group. All right. Keep publish your idea, your thoughts. All right. Share your views to other students. Let other seniors or other people to help you to examine your thoughts. All right. Take others' advice. Okay. Be a professional trader. Buy low, sell high. Remember that. Okay. So good luck. See you next time. Help me to share the YouTube videos if it is published. Once it is published, right? Because there are still about 2.5 hours. Right? I hope that we can do something better for the markets, for the other people. Right? See you guys later. Bye bye.